If you're seeing SketchUp LayOut error code 107, you're probably dealing with a broken reference to an external file. That could be a missing SketchUp model, a missing image, or even a spreadsheet that LayOut can no longer find. And when that happens, it can stop your document from saving properly, which is frustrating when you're in the middle of a project. In this video, I'll show you how to fix SketchUp LayOut error code 107, step by step. And I'll also share a few simple habits you can use to prevent it from happening again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more software fixes and quick walkthroughs. Let's get into it. The first thing to do is check your file references inside LayOut. Open your document, then go to Document Setup and click on References. This area will show you every external file that your layout is connected to. Look for anything marked as missing or out of date. That means LayOut cannot properly locate the linked file. Once you find the broken item, click Relink. Now browse to the correct file path and select the file again. In many cases, this instantly resolves the error because LayOut just needs the connection restored. If the file was renamed, moved, or saved in a different folder, relinking is usually the fastest fix. If error code 107 started after you moved files around, another good option is to revert the document back to the last known good version. Go to File, then choose Revert to Saved. This will discard unsaved changes and return the file to the most recent stable save point. It's especially useful if the error appeared right after reorganizing folders or changing linked assets. Just be careful because any changes made since the last save will be lost. Next, take a look at where your assets are stored. One of the best ways to avoid broken references in SketchUp LayOut is to keep all your referenced files in the same folder as the layout document. That means your SketchUp models, images, and any linked spreadsheets should live together in one organized project folder. If everything stays in one place, LayOut has a much easier time finding the files again later. This simple folder structure can prevent broken links, missing references, and saving issues before they even happen. If the error just appeared and you haven't made many changes yet, try using Undo. On Windows, press Ctrl+Z. On Mac, press Command+Z. This can roll back the last action that may have deleted, renamed, or moved a file reference. Sometimes the cause is as simple as accidentally removing an image or shifting a model file to another location. Undo can quickly restore the missing connection without any deeper troubleshooting. Another thing to check is whether the broken reference is something you don't actually need anymore. In some cases, the error may be caused by a pattern fill, an unused image, or another leftover asset that is still linked inside the document. If that's the case, go back into Document Setup and look closely at the references list. Remove or purge any items that are no longer required. Cleaning out unused references can help LayOut save the file properly again. If none of those steps work, double-check the original file locations in your computer's folder structure. Make sure the referenced SketchUp files, images, and linked documents still exist and have not been renamed or moved by accident. Even a small path change can break the connection. If needed, use Search in your File Explorer or Finder to locate the missing asset, then relink in LayOut. The key is to make sure LayOut is pointing to the exact file it expects. After you fix the broken reference, save the document and test it again. If the file saves normally, then the issue was likely caused by that missing or outdated link. Going forward, a good workflow is to keep a project folder dedicated to each job, avoid renaming linked assets after they're placed, and make a backup before moving anything. That way, if SketchUp LayOut error code 107 ever appears again, you'll know exactly where to look. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another SketchUp error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.